Hey everybody, Scott Holmes here again at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I want to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Bennington 21 SLX. We did a little wild color scheme on this one. We did the white main panel with the lime green accent panel, lime green canvas, and we even did the lime green accent on the interior upholstery. Really just sets this boat apart as something different on the water. This boat does have the lifting strakes on it, powered by Yamaha 115 horsepower. So plenty of power to pull a skier or a tuber. And this boat's also one of our value price boats. We got really great deals on our 21 SLXs. So give us a call to find out more information about that. This boat comes very well equipped too. It has the silver Syntex upholstery with the carbon accent and lime green accent. It's got the woven vinyl floor tinted silver to match the interior of the boat. Even both front of our chase lounges have backrests, and it's got a radius corner to it as well to give you another sitting angle. Most of the boats you see in this are straight cut seats. Bennington doesn't cut a corner on this model like that. Nice L-shaped lounger, and everybody underneath that 10-foot long bimini top will have plenty of coverage from the sun or a pop-up spring shower. Take a look at our new console for this year. It has the Garmin Striker 4 flush mounted into the dash, a kicker Bluetooth stereo. The throttle binnacle is located right there alongside of the driver for a nice comfortable position. Like I was saying earlier, this has the ski tow bar and Yamaha 115 horsepower engine. And a lot of value for the money here on this boat, and a very nice boat as well. Please give me a call, Scott Holmes at MarineMax in Greenville, 864-236-9005. Thanks for watching.